I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 35th video from the eShop Web Project Development series. So in this video, we are going to talk about the designing part of this purchase history page. Now, if I talk about this design in brief, what happens over here is, you can see that from the beginning, there is my header, then there is a title called purchase history, then as before in our previous invoice page designing parts like that, we have made the hash, then the order details and the quantity, amount, purchase date and time. Then when we go down, you can see that you can see the product that I bought and the ID of that product and the quantity that I bought from that product and the amount of that product and the purchase date, and I can give two buttons as feedbacks and delete. So likewise, when I make the design, you can see that the products that I bought only can be seen over here. So we are going to talk about the validation part in my next video. So now you can see that when we go down, you can see another button called delete all records, then the footer. So this is the designing part that we are going to do over here. So now let's check what I have done in my backend code. Now to make this, I'm going to use a file called purchase history page. Now don't mind about the programming parts over here because I have done the programming parts also. But if I talk about the design and the classes that I used in brief, what I have done is, first I have given a main container fluid. Then when we go down, the first header, that means I have included my header.php. Then after that, I have given a require connection.php. Then, so this require is not now useful because we are not going to talk about the programming part. Then over here, I have given a div and a call 12 and a text center and a MB3 and a span as a F1, FW bold and a text primary as a purchase history. Then after that, I have given if the invoice num is equal to 0. So now you all want to understand what is this. Now if I tell you what is this too, you all know that we have made a database for this as invoice, as we talked about in our previous videos. So in our invoice, you all know that the product that I purchased has been stored over there. Now you all can think that if I haven't bought a product, a message will come as this, as you have not purchased any items yet. So this means this is the div that comes when you haven't purchased any product. But if it comes to the else, as also before, these will happen. So this is not a table type, but it's a div. So in our previous videos, in our invoice, I will show you that also because it would be also useful. So in our invoice, you'll show that for this, I have used a T header and a TR, that means TH, then TH, those order ID and the product over here. But for our purchase history, what I have done is I have given divs. Then for these divs, I have given classes as call1, BG light and a label as hash. Then again call3 and another one as a BG light and an order detail. So likewise for these, what I have done is this is a pattern. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Yeah. So for the after that, I have given a HR to divide it because it can't be all in a row. Then what I have done is, so first I should show the invoice data ID. So there is an ID for this. So I'll show you. So this is the ID of this product. So I will show you my database. Yeah. So over here, y'all can see that I have an invoice. So in this invoice, y'all can see that So y'all can see that the products that I purchased. So y'all can see one of them is 8. So I'll show you. So there is 8. Then y'all can see again my Gmail is there for 11. Then 14 and 15. So let's check whether it's also there. So 11, 14 and 15. So those 4 are there. So that means there is an ID for this invoice. So that would be shown as my user email. Then I should be shown my product image. So for that, what I have done is I have taken my database. So if we're doing like a design, what we should do is first we should give an image and a SRC, and you should give as in your files or anywhere as a resource, you should give a image for that. And for the SRC, you can give that resource. Then like that, y'all can give the image. So that is that. Then I should be shown the seller's name and the price of that product. So y'all can see that over here, the seller's name is Sinura Wahalathanthri. So this is my sister's product. So I have used that. So in my product, I can see that my name is there. Okay. So now let's go and check the other parts that we did. For the price also the same. The price of that product which is there in the invoice. So I'll show you. So y'all can see this is 25,000, 9,000. It's 9,000. But when we go to the invoice and give the delivery fee likewise, it changes price to 120. 9,120. So this is 2,500. 25,500. Now after that, what I have done is we should make the quantity of this. So how should I take this quantity? So for a design, it's simple. You can just put 3. But what I have done is I have given my actual quantity. So for the design, what I have given is a form label, FS4, FS4 and a PY3. And for my invoice data total, that means the total of the delivery fee, I have given this as the invoice data total. So the invoice data total is this. I'll show you. So there is in the invoice, you all can see that the price of that product. Then, so don't mind about these databases. Then what I have done is I have given the invoice data date. Then that means our date and time. So to make this 2 buttons, what I have given is first I have given a div as a call 12 and a call LG3. Then a row and another call 6 and a div grid for those 2 buttons main divs. So this is the main div of that button. Then for the button, what I have given is BTN secondary, rounded, border 1, border primary, MT5 and a FS5. Then what I have done is I have given an on-click. So don't mind about this on-click because we will be talking about this on-click in another video. Then what I have done is, as usual, I have given this call 6 and a D grid. Then I have given this button and a class as a BTN and a BTN danger, rounded and an MT5 and an MS5, FS5. Then an icon as a BI trash 3 field and a name as delete. Then when you go down, the call 12, the div and the HR, that means the call 12 HR. Then last, what I have done is I have given a div, and for this div, I have given a call 12 MB3, then another div as a row, then another div as an offset LG10, and a call 12, a call LG2, so I will give it as a call LG3 for the moment, and a D grid, and a button, and a class as BTN danger, rounded, MT5, and a FS5. Then I have given the same trash icon, and what I have done is delete all records. Then these models we will be talking about in another video. So After that, what I have done is I have given this footer. Then after that, this purchase history design is finished. So this is it for this video. So I hope you understood what I have talked about over here. So I will be back with the programming part of this page. So until that, stay tuned. So have a nice day and bye.